capital and small alphabet A to Z. Look here. Look in this chart and let's start reading. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for, yes, I know you like this. I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for pigeon, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yachet, Z for zebra. So you have to know how to write and read capital and small alphabet in your notebook. Today we are going to learn how to write small letter to big letter. Small letter to big letter. Look here. Look on blackboard. Who will tell me which letter is this? Which letter is this? Capital S. Capital S. S for very good. Sheep. S for sheep. You look in your notebook how you write capital S in your 4-line notebook from red line to second blue line. From red line to second blue line. And capital to small. Today we are going to learn capital letter to small letter. You have to write here small s. From where you will start this letter? Who will tell me? Already you have learned how to write capital and small letter. Very good. From first blue line. Very good. So you have to put your pencil on second blue line and write one small curve and small s. Small s. Small s. Understood now? Capital to small. Capital to small. Now next letter. Which letter is this? Capital U. U for very good. Umbrella. U for umbrella. How you have write this capital U? From red line to second blue line. Start with red line and end with second blue line. And now look here how you will write small u. You have to start from first blue line. Small u. Small u. Start with first blue line and end with second blue line. This is small u. Now next letter. Which letter is this? Z. Z for zebra. Very good. So look here. From where this letter start and where this end? From red line to second blue line. And look here how to write small z. Start with first blue line, slipping line, slanting line and slipping line. Start with first blue line and end with second blue line. Now look here again. Which letter is this? Who will tell me? N. N for capital N. This is capital N. N for nest. N for nest. N for nose. N for nose. Now look here how to write small n. Start with first blue line. Standing line. Again go up to first blue line come down. This is small n. Now look here, which letter is this? Capital T. Capital T. Now write here T for yes, tiger. Write here small t. This letter you have to start from red line to second blue line. Standing line, a right curve and a sleeping line on first blue line. This is small t. Now which letter is this? Capital P. Capital P. P for parrot. P for pigeon. Look here how this letter is written here. From red line to second blue line. And you have to write small p. You have to start from first blue line to second red line. Come down. This is standing line. And a curve from first blue line to second blue line. This is small p. Small p. Have you understood how to write small letters to big letter? Okay, then you have to write this classwork in your notebook.